We're here at the Comfort Suites here in Lebanon, Tennessee. This will be a full room tour. We're in room 326. So first walk in, it closes gently because this door does slam. Got a clearly readable fire map. It looks like that they put the newer logo in a unique spot and it looks like it has faded away over the years. Yeah, deadbolt and a good lock. The peephole is currently covered up. Right next to the door, you got a micro fridge microwave, which is clean, along with a Pepsi that we brought with us. Let's put this over here. It just fell over. And you got a decently sized bathroom. And when you turn it on, it comes on with the fan, so be aware. Big mirror which gives you enough light for shaving. Here is the bathtub. It is a Delta fixture. With a Niagara shower head. But my dad has used this as we are here on a trip. And it's adequate, just according to my dad. Here's a commode or toilet, which is a Kohler. Sink. They also provide shampoo with conditioner and soap, and a hair dryer, and an ice bucket. What you're looking at here is a standard got a closet, or if you can call it closet, or like a clothes rack with an iron and ironing board. And you got a nice looking sofa, which does have a sofa sleeper. And nice little sitting area, so like if you need to get your work done and stuff. Standard hotel telephone with outlets and a lamp with outlets. Those outlets with USB ports, I already tried those. They do not work. Here's the TV, is a Insignia with a channel directory. Here's another coffee table which we're using to store our luggage. Another mirror. It's a Premier HVAC system with a digital thermostat. No constant fan on this. And here's a view outside from our room. This is right off of Interstate 40. now here comes the most important part, the bed. This is where a lot of hotels hide their dirty little secrets. And so far, this bed looks pretty clean. So we got another lamp with outlets with the good book. So now let's see how comfortable this is. Nice and comfy, just the right amount of firmness. Also get an overview of these 3 paintings here. Give off a good look of downtown Nashville. Old school smoke detector, which does date the property. And it's just the ordinary standard room. So far, we've had a good stay here. Hope you enjoyed this hotel room tour. Have a good one.